Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Taufiqur Rahman Abbasi, a research fellow at Shohai Jyotam University. Today I'm going to discuss how to write mathematical equation in LaTeX. In the last video, I discussed how to install LaTeX by using MikTeX and TeXtstudio. So what we learn in this tutorial, first of all, how to type equation of motion for viscoelastically damped system. So basically, this is the equation of motion for viscoelastically damped system, where M is the mass matrix, D is viscous damping matrix, G of T minus star is material relaxation function, K is the stiffness matrix, and F is the forcing vector. Next, how to type an elastic displacement field model utilized in the equation of motion. So ADF model is written in both in time and frequency domain. G of t is equal to summation index j started at 1 to L delta sub j e to the minus omega sub j of t kv, and similarly in frequency domain. So if you want to learn more about ADF model, you can follow my research article recently published in Wave Motion. So in first equation, we will learn about integral symbols and fractional symbols. And here in this equation, we will learn about summation symbol. So without wasting time, let's start. So let me share my TeXtstudio, which is already open. This is tutorial second, and we will begin with document class. Backslash document class, and font size is 11 point. Class is article, and I will use two packages. One is AMS math and other is AMS symbol. And the command is backslash use package AMS math, and next is backslash use package AMS symbol. And then we will start with begin documents. Begin documents and end document. And between begin documents and end documents, we will type over equation and text. So let me start with one section, backslash section, how to type complex mathematical equation in LaTeX. And this button is to compile. We will just hit this button, and this is our section 1. So furthermore, equation of motion for viscoelastically damped system. Hit compile. Now we have to work in equation environment. So therefore, we will use command backslash begin equation and end equation. And here we will type our equation of motion, which is M, capital M, and it is in bold form. So therefore, math BF capital M, and then backslash math BF backslash dd dot x of t plus, and then hit compile to see. Text Studio automatically number it 1. M x double dot of t plus. So मैथ बी एफ उस टाइम यूज करेंगे जब आपने टेक्स्ट को बोल्ड करना हो, और बैक स्लैश डी डी डॉट उस टाइम यूज करेंगे जब आपने सेकंड डेरिवेटिव लेना हो. सिमिलरली बैक स्लैश मैथ बी एफ कैपिटल डी फॉर विस्कस डैम्पिंग मैट्रिक्स बैक स्लैश मैथ बी एफ बैक स्लैश डॉट x of t प्लस, और जब आपने फर्स्ट डेरिवेटिव लेना हो और सिंपली आपने बैकस्लैश और डॉट की कमांड यूज करनी है. नेक्स्ट इज प्लस बैकस्लैश इंटीग्रल, its minimum value is 0 and maximum value is t backslash math bf g of t minus tau tau and hit compile to see. Equation looks nice. Next is partial derivative. How to write partial derivatives? We use command backslash frac, and in numerator we will type partial backslash math of bf x backslash, and then instead of backslash we use brackets backslash tau, and in denominator we will type partial backslash partial and then tau d of tau plus backslash math bf k capital for stiffness backslash math bf x of t is equal to f of t math bf f of t. So overall equation looks nice. M x double dot of t plus d x of t plus integral 0 to t g tau g of t minus tau partial derivative of x with respect to tau d of tau plus k f x of t is equal to f of t. Similarly, we can write ADF model in second equation. ADF model. So इक्वेशन इन्वायरमेंट में हम स्टार्ट करेंगे बिगिन इक्वेशन एंड एंड ऑफ इक्वेशन, और यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे बैकस्लैश जी ऑफ टी मैथ बी एफ जी ऑफ टी इज इक्वल टू बैकस्लैश summation sum its minimum value index j started at 1 to L backslash delta sub j e to the minus backslash omega sub j omega sub j of t backslash math bf k sub v sub capital V, and hit compile. So you can see ADF model in time domain. And similarly, we can write ADF model in frequency domain in same equation. How? We will give space by using backslash quad, 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 and then write backslash in frequency domain G of S, math BF G of S is equal to backslash summation index j started at 1 to L backslash frac. In numerator we will type backslash delta sub k delta sub j, and in denominator we will type backslash gamma plus backslash omega sub j backslash math bf k capital K sub v quad. तो क्वाड में यहाँ बैकस्लैश और क्वाड को कंबाइन कर लेंगे. Now you can see space between this time domain and frequency domain equation. If you further increase this space, you can use q quad. Let me write q quad. And hit compile. And you can see space between time domain and frequency domain equation. So that's it for the this tutorial. Till next video, Dr. Abbasi signing off. Take care. Allah Hafiz.